In today's video, we are reviewing Café Couture Countertop Oven. And the best part is the CrispFinish feature that makes your food perfectly golden and crispy in minutes. I have provided the link to this countertop oven in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now let's talk about what makes this Café Couture oven so special and why so many people love it. First, it comes with 14 essential cooking modes, so you can cook almost anything without needing multiple appliances on your counter. You get air fry for crispy fries and nuggets, bake for cakes and cookies, broil and roast for juicy meals, toast and bagel for quick breakfasts, pizza for perfect cheesy slices, proof for dough, dehydrate for healthy snacks, slow cook for tender dishes, plus reheat and keep warm to keep food ready when your family is hungry. The size is also a big win because it has a large 22.6 4-liter capacity, which means it can fit a 12-inch pizza, a 9x13 cake pan, and even casserole dishes, making it great for families, meal prep, and small gatherings. One of my favorite things is the 6 heating elements inside, because they help the oven heat up fast, cook evenly, and give you a wide temperature range, from gentle proofing around 80 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying and crisping. And the controls are super beginner-friendly with a bright LCD display, so you can easily set the mode, time, and temperature without confusion. If you love smart features, you'll really enjoy the Wi-Fi connection, because you can control it with the Smart HQ app, start cooking remotely, and even use voice control with Alexa or Google Home for hands-free cooking. Overall, this is perfect for busy families, students, home cooks, and anyone who wants fast, tasty meals with less effort and less mess. If you want one countertop oven that can replace multiple appliances and still make your food look and taste amazing, the Café Couture Oven is a fantastic pick, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal.